Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia driver files to install. So if you encounter this problem, Nvidia Installer cannot continue, you already have a newer version Nvidia framework, blah blah blah, or you encounter another issue that you cannot continue your installation. So there's a fix. Do not use GeForce Experience automatic download. Here we go. If you see Nvidia installation cannot continue, this error, then there is a good chance that graphic driver that you're trying to install was not downloaded properly. So you can try to fix this by forcing GeForce Experience to download the driver again by disabling and re-enabling automatic downloads. So you can try to use this fix, or you can download manually your driver here. So you can choose the type of your GPU that you have. For example, the RTX a 4070 series, Windows 11 or Windows 10, English, and download type is all. You can start search, and here we go. This is the updated driver, the latest driver of Nvidia. You can download it here, or you can use this if you want to a older driver. For example, you still using the GTX GeForce GTX 750 Ti series, and standard and search, and here we go. This is the GeForce driver, the older one that you can download here. After you download, you can install manually without forcing a GeForce Experience. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.